Guys, so I'm Elizabeth again, and my next problem is number 98. So 98 says a correct IUPAC name for the following compound is, and so what I did was I just drew the structure over on my board. So, oh my gosh, that's so ugly. Okay, hopefully you'll get the gist of it. Okay. So that's the structure, and I went ahead and tried to come up with what the parent name would be, so, or the longest chain. So I decided to go this way, which gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So that's going to be a hexene, where on carbon 2, starts that double bond, so 2ene. And then I also noticed that on carbon 3, this structure, it has 1, 2, 3 carbons, so carbon 3 is an isopropyl. And then on carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on carbon 5, there's a methyl. So whenever I go over here to the options, I automatically eliminated option B and option C because my parent chain is a hexene. So then I just looked at options A and option D. For option A, it says 3,3,5 trimethyl 2-hexene, but whenever I'm looking at the structure on carbon 1, 2, 3, I just see an isopropyl, and so A just didn't make sense to me. But then I looked at the next option, which would have been D, and then it's 3 parentheses 1 methyl ethyl, and I guess I can kind of see that on carbon 3. I honestly don't know what a 1-methyl ethyl is, and I'm not going to pretend that I do. So that just threw up a red flag for me. But I guess it could be a methyl ethyl because it does contain a methyl, and then the other 2 carbons would be an ethyl. But it just still doesn't look right to me. So both of those options just didn't make sense. And then B and C for sure didn't make sense. So that's why it's E, none of these choices.